Welcome inside the factory where America's F-35 Lightning II is engineered with advanced robotics, precision manufacturing, and cutting-edge stealth technology for future missions. Every F-35 begins with carefully manufactured components, where robotics and skilled engineers ensure every structural section meets exact military aerospace standards. Carbon fiber composites give the F-35 exceptional strength while reducing weight, helping engineers create a stealth aircraft built for speed, endurance, and survivability. Every wing is installed and aligned with incredible precision, ensuring the F-35 maintains stability, stealth performance, and outstanding maneuverability during demanding missions. Advanced computers, sensors, and secure communications transform the F-35 into a powerful networked fighter, delivering unmatched situational awareness and mission effectiveness. After extensive testing and stealth coding, the F-35 finally leaves assembly, representing thousands of engineering hours behind America's most advanced fighter aircraft. The powerful Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine gives the F-35 remarkable thrust, allowing exceptional acceleration, range, and performance across demanding combat missions worldwide. Every fuel system is carefully assembled and pressure tested, ensuring reliable performance and maximum operational range during long-distance military missions and training flights. Thousands of electrical connections power advanced sensors, computers, and mission systems, ensuring every F-35 operates reliably in complex operational environments. The advanced AESA radar detects, tracks, and processes multiple targets simultaneously, giving F-35 pilots exceptional situational awareness during demanding operational missions. Stealth performance depends on flawless surfaces, so every panel receives meticulous inspection before the aircraft advances toward final testing and certification. With manufacturing complete, the F-35 enters intensive testing, where every critical system must prove reliable before its first official flight and delivery. Before engine startup, technicians verify every onboard computer, sensor, and electrical system, ensuring the aircraft is fully prepared for comprehensive ground testing. Every flight control surface is tested repeatedly, confirming precise movement and ensuring stable handling before the aircraft ever reaches the runway. The powerful F-135 engine undergoes extensive ground testing, verifying thrust, efficiency, and operational reliability before the aircraft proceeds to taxi evaluations. Advanced sensors provide unmatched awareness, but every system must be carefully calibrated to deliver accurate information during demanding operational missions and training. Taxi testing confirms steering, braking, and engine response, allowing engineers to evaluate real-world aircraft performance before the first official takeoff begins. After months of manufacturing and testing, the F-35 stands ready for its first flight, marking a major milestone in production and engineering excellence. The F-35 begins its first flight, proving months of engineering, precision manufacturing, and extensive testing have successfully prepared the aircraft for operational evaluation. During the first flight, engineers carefully evaluate stability, control response, avionics, and engine performance through continuous real-time telemetry and detailed analysis. Engineers verify stealth performance by comparing radar measurements, ensuring the aircraft maintains its low observable characteristics throughout every stage of flight testing. Powerful onboard sensors continuously gather information, allowing engineers to validate performance, reliability, and system integration under realistic flight conditions and scenarios. High-speed evaluations confirm aerodynamic efficiency, engine reliability, and structural integrity, demonstrating the aircraft performs exactly as engineers originally designed and expected. Following a successful first flight, engineers inspect every system again, using valuable flight data to further refine aircraft performance and long-term reliability. After landing, engineers inspect every component, comparing flight data with physical measurements to confirm outstanding reliability, accuracy, and manufacturing precision throughout. Engine specialists analyze temperatures, vibration, and performance data, ensuring the F-135 engine consistently delivers maximum power with dependable operational reliability every mission. Mission computers, cockpit displays, and onboard software undergo continuous verification, guaranteeing every electronic system performs accurately during future operational deployments and exercises. Even microscopic surface imperfections are corrected, helping preserve the F-35's stealth characteristics and ensuring maximum effectiveness during demanding operational missions worldwide. Strict quality certification confirms every manufacturing standard has been achieved before the aircraft advances toward operational acceptance and future military service worldwide. After countless inspections and successful evaluations, the completed F-35 leaves the factory, ready to begin its operational service with exceptional engineering excellence. Experienced test pilots verify every aircraft personally, ensuring the F-35 meets strict operational requirements before entering active military service and long-term deployment. Mission software, secure communications, and navigation systems are verified together, ensuring the F-35 remains fully prepared for complex operational environments worldwide. Sensor fusion combines information from multiple systems, providing pilots with one clear tactical picture for faster decisions and improved operational awareness. Today, the F-35 supports allied operations worldwide, demonstrating advanced technology, interoperability, and exceptional mission flexibility across diverse operational environments every day. The F-35 continues evolving through regular hardware improvements, software upgrades, and engineering innovations designed to enhance future operational capabilities and performance. Behind every completed F-35 stands a dedicated team of engineers, technicians, and specialists whose expertise transforms advanced designs into operational aircraft. Continuous innovation keeps the F-35 evolving, ensuring future upgrades improve survivability, mission capability, and operational effectiveness for decades of military service ahead. Thousands of specialists and suppliers support F-35 production, creating one of the world's most advanced aerospace manufacturing programs through global engineering collaboration. Extreme manufacturing precision ensures every component meets exact aerospace standards, supporting long-term durability, structural integrity, and dependable operational performance under demanding conditions. Comprehensive maintenance training ensures technicians can quickly inspect, repair, and support the F-35 throughout its demanding operational service life worldwide. Every completed aircraft receives comprehensive engineering reviews, confirming manufacturing excellence before continuing into operational service and future mission assignments around the world. From factory floor to operational skies, the F-35 represents decades of innovation, precision engineering, and continuous technological advancement for modern military aviation. The F-35 represents decades of aerospace innovation, combining advanced engineering, precision manufacturing, and cutting-edge technology into one remarkable fighter aircraft platform. Every completed aircraft reflects extraordinary teamwork, engineering excellence, and advanced manufacturing techniques developed through years of aerospace research and continuous innovation worldwide. Today, the F-35 supports training and defense partnerships worldwide, demonstrating advanced aerospace engineering and international cooperation through modern aviation technology programs. Production continues every day, combining skilled engineers, advanced robotics, and strict quality standards to build future generations of F-35 fighter aircraft. Every F-35 showcases the perfect balance of innovation, advanced technology, precision engineering, and manufacturing excellence achieved through years of dedicated aerospace development. From concept to completion, the F-35 demonstrates how advanced engineering, innovation, and precision manufacturing continue shaping the future of military aviation technology.
Inside Tech Factory, American Military Technology Documentary.